waking up early and keeping up with the kids. And I wasn't making money in that business because being an emotional person, I needed someone who would look at my finances. The dabar se bhabhi ye saal mahina mein paisa nahi hai. I'd give 4,000 rupees. I do this. So there wasn't much money. In the end, whatever you do, either you do social work and you don't want to earn, that's okay, no problem. But if you're working, earn in it. If you don't earn, you get bored and tired. The passion dies.
That's advice. Okay, going on to the last question here. That's exactly what I want from you. Some kind of concrete advice that you would like to give everyone here.
Simple. Live your dream. First thing is close your eyes. I am a dreamer. If I close my eyes, I see myself as a princess, the queen bee of the watch industry, and Aspen right up there, and I have a yacht where I have lots of things. So I may never use the yacht. I don't know what to do with it because I love working. That's what we bought a house after we reached between his jewelry. By the way, sorry, I'll come to that later. But dream. Once you dream, have the business plan. Just don't have a Sheikh Chali dream. Have a dream that's concrete. That dream has to be supported by a lot of thoughts from others. Then put the business plan down. Decide on the cash flow that you'll require. And whatever you do, don't forget, 30% has to be set aside for additional human resources, additional systems and processes. Trust me, just Excel and normal computer doesn't work after a while. People make manual mistakes. You need a software system. If you don't bring that money in, your escalation will stop and you'll derail somewhere. So whatever cash, you say that, okay, you say I have, let's say 1 lakh rupees, I can do this. Only allocate 1 lakh in the beginning because you're not sure that your plan is going to follow. Keep some insulation for, you don't want to stop right in the middle, just when you've geared.
Very nice. I throw the round open for questions from the audience. So if there are any questions for Manisha, please.
Well, August, September is bad, but if you have any questions or any small mentoring on a whole level, I will try and provide you answers.
Hi Manisha, thank you for sharing such beautiful things with us. I'm Deepshika Sarda and I've started my own business. It's a hobby business under the name Creativity and I make customized handmade cards. Well, I wanted to ask is, for me, beauty is to create something different. It's beautiful, but to create something different. For you, I'm not sure how you go with your process, but do you approve the designs or do you design it yourself? I'm not sure. But whenever you think of a design for your watch, which thing comes first to your mind? Is it being different or it's just, beautiful and saleable kind of thing?
To this day, every Aspen watch is designed by me.
Great.
In between, I had an issue. I had to go in for a surgery. One season, I let the person who was helping me go out and do the season. That season was bad. There is something which is your strength. Everything else you can outsource. Even this, I still bring a team of people to go to Hong Kong, go to different people, but sitting on the table, every design. Now, as yet, I travel everywhere. If there's a problem, the design will come, it'll get approved. I need to change the detailing. I need to give dial design. So I have 2 designers who work under me. There's another Italian designer that we have. And these people will send in the designs. And my designs take time to go on the floor because a product prototype will be made. I will wear it on my hand, that there are no issues where it hurts. I'm not saying mistakes don't happen. It's a product made by someone else. I don't have a factory. But yes.
How do you deal with the design secrecy then?
How do I deal with the design?
Design secrecy.
You
said, some of
secrecy.
Your products.
No, there is no secrecy. But the kind of product I'm doing in India, every vendor I have promised them a business. I started, as I told you right at the beginning, we had 25 vendors. Now I'm working with only 4. And I've made sure that they don't sell to another Indian. As yet, it hasn't happened, but you've got to live with that. You have to live with that.
Thank you.
And another thing let me tell you is, copy. Yeah, copy is the best compliment. When someone copies your design, it's the best compliment for you.
Since I know this is the best compliment, but then since you are dealing with something which is manufactured in large scale, then I think copy is not a good thing for you.
Yeah, it also eats into your market share.
No, it does, but trust me, today, I forgot to mention the most important thing. Aspen, as a brand, what we decided was we wanted to build the brand. And so my pricing is much lower than a lot of other people for the product that I'm giving. You'll get cheaper watches, but they won't be as good as Aspen. Titan copied my Bow watch.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
but it's not so great, and it's 2,000 rupees higher than mine.
Mm-hmm.
I have so many people coming back being upset because they know Aspen as the bow. It's called the mesh bow as the Aspen stamp. I said, how could Titan do this? I said, I have watches that look like Guess, so it's okay, but it's not a Guess. It's something I designed on my own. Okay. It's okay. Trust me, it's given. More people have come back to me being upset with Titan copying it. And so don't. It's given me a benefit. I'm not worried.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I just wanted to add one very important thing. You know, when Fossil went, we could have fought and made a lot of money and sat back. At the same time, we had a falling out with Mr. Mehul Choksi. You've seen what's happening to his stocks and shares. Yeah. We wanted to go public with Jilly because Jilly is totally our design and we were running it. And Mehul Choksi wanted to do things with the SEBI and stock exchange. We had a difference of opinion on that. Sorry, you got to remove names and things. Okay. If that part can. Anyway, so we decided to sell the brand to them. So we were going through the same situation of selling Jilly, and my husband had to restart a new business. It was a great decision for him. Today, not being a partner and owner of his business, he's doing 3 times more than what he was doing as Jilly.
She's got a question.
Hi. Actually, my name is Malvika Tarnekar, and I manage a company here in the IT park. Actually, your background and mine kind of are similar, where I have been in US for last 9 years, and then we moved here back to Nagpur because we just wanted to live with our family and basically let them enjoy the company of their grandchildren. Okay. So we still believe that was a good decision. But being here, we kind of feel somewhere that whatever talents we have are not being utilized to the fullest extent. I definitely want to be an entrepreneur, start my own company someday. My husband has already done that. He has started his own IT company. But we don't want to work together. We want to do something separately. At the same time, I don't want to take out time away from my kids, the time that I want to give them. So I'm not able to make that decision. When should I start my own venture or company and get going with it? So I just wanted some feedback from you and see how
old are your children?
My elder one is in 9th grade. He's 13. And the younger one is 6 years old.
Okay.
She's in second.
Both are very independent. If you just understand that they are doing well. If you start your own business, you can start in a slow way. Maybe continue your where you're working in the IT industry and do something on the side. Start in a with I don't know, what is the dream that you have? What do you want to do? So start, seeding the idea. Start planning it. It'll take another 1.5 years. Your younger one will be 7.5. Your 13-year-old will soon not need you. Today, both my children are working and they are very independent. I have to take an appointment to spend time with them. So don't give up on the time. You will also find help. You will find people who will take care of your children, because you'll do the same work that you're doing as the job, the same timing. You'll come back happier. But make your plans. Whatever plans, see everything, do the working. I don't know. Do you agree on that?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Right. I'm trying that. I'm kind of dreaming about what I want to, and I've started planning about it. Just waiting for the right opportunity to jump into it. And the second thing that is stopping me from doing it is the finances, you can say, or because my husband has just started his business, I don't want to take that risk of jumping into it right now.
Absolutely, I
So-
agree with you. Because the economic is very important, and there is one partner who's setting out on his dream. So hold your dream, but don't give up on the dream. Keep working. Just because I have a little time, keep working and building the dream and make a lot of things go faster. You'll be able to, accelerate much faster by 1.5, 2 years. But yeah, it doesn't make sense, both of you. That's what I said. Don't give up your finances right now. As I said, my stepping stone was a lot of earnings that I had from my Vijay Demon company. At the end, when we returned to India, my bonus is what helped me with the funds, because I had not collected my bonus. In those days, getting $25,000 in India was huge. I'd never picked it up somehow. I don't know why.
And the other question is, I'm like, you are so passionate, you are into it, you are focused, you are constantly thinking about what you are doing. Same is my case. Even if I don't owe that company where I'm working in right now, I'm totally dedicated into what I'm doing. So I feel it's my company. I get so engrossed in that, involved in that, my work, that I can't come out of it when I come back home, which is kind of an issue I feel myself, that I'm still thinking about work. So how to overcome that?
You won't overcome it. That's one of the fights that my husband and myself, we have really rip-roaring fights, my children and my husband. They call it Adabo Kholyo. In Gujarati we say, there she's opened her computer box. Okay? I don't like watching television. So I said, I'm spending time with you. But he does say that, Manisha, you don't stop thinking. When you come home, switch off. But men switch off faster than women. Men watch the idiot box so that they, and we just can't do that. Our mind is that way. Take it as a positive. Hold yourself. Try and be part of what's happening. I give that time. As I said, I enjoy myself. And if there's a thought, you look at my mobile anytime. I have some 78 notes. They see me doing tick, 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 tick. Because if there is a thought and I don't want to derail from our family thing, I put the point down that I can come back to it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Sachin, do we have time for one last question? Thank you.
What's the time?
I'll keep it short. Ma'am, I'm Rasika Dasture. I am the principal and owner of South Point School. Actually, I became, should I stand up? I became a part of it because of my marriage, and therefore when I came into it, I had people around me who were there since 10 years. And I kind of is not a very dominating kind of person, whereas my counterparts or some of them were of that type. Now you said in the middle that you were a soft-spoken person, and with your employees also you are like that. And like you, I tend to, get angry very fast and all that things. So you have stayed over there. You have said that, no, you were right, that you kind of get angry and then you are soft also with your employees. Do you feel that you need to change that? Means because I am that kind of a thing, and then sometime in my day I feel that maybe I am wrong. I should be a, Hitler kind of a person. So whether I should change myself or maybe I will gain the respect that I need with my behavior.
My husband will kill me for saying this, but we cannot change ourselves. And stop saying that you are wrong. You cannot change yourself. Turn it around. Accept that this is your thing. Other people will be the way they are. You be firm. That's what I said. I make notes. I send out an email. Because if I find certain people that I cannot work with, it's easier that I put my points down on email and I say, this is what I want. And I have made a strict rule that I'm sorry, we may be in the same office. What you say, I don't hear. I want it on paper. If you disagree with what I'm asking, you please write it. When you're not face to face, there is no verbal communication. There is less conflict over there. I have reached stages in my life a couple of times when I wanted to walk out on my house and marriage. And that happens to everyone. The thing that works very strongly for me, I am the owner of my life. I am the decision maker. No one can stop me. I have the right to walk out. My children are independent. My husband is independent. And that is when you see, we women tend to say, shit, मेरा husband ऐसा है, मेरी सास ऐसी है, मेरे बच्चे ऐसे हैं, my colleague is like this, मेरे employee ऐसे. You can change your employee. Who says? You can change your husband if you want. Do you want to? When you say you have an option, you will not. I cannot live without my husband. I survive on him. We fight like cats and dogs, but when we fight, we get back and we are close again. After the volcano is the calm that comes in, and that brings it. That's when you realize that stop blaming anything and everyone. You are who you are, they are who they are. You don't even try to change them, don't try to change yourself. Work around the situation. And this is it. If communication is a problem, I have a constant emails because I cannot communicate. He will say something that will hurt me. And I'm a very sensitive person. So I email him and I tell him, please answer on email. And that works.
So being a soft-spoken person and being an administrator both together is okay.
I told right at the beginning, admin was my weak point. So I reached a stage where I brought in a wingman who's a better administrator than me. But till you don't, you administer. As I said, the administration you do it is via email. You cannot change. If I spend time on trying to change my DNA, I will stop growing.
Right.
Why waste time on something that is part of your blood?